There are discoveries in astronomy that bring comfort: the soft glow of distant nebulae, the graceful birth of stars, and the serene beauty of galaxies spiraling like cosmic art across the infinite canvas of the universe. They remind us that space, though vast and untamed, can also be breathtakingly beautiful. But then there are discoveries that do the opposite. The ones that pierce through our sense of safety, that remind us that the cosmos isn't a gentle expanse, but a cold, unpredictable abyss. A place where beauty and terror coexist. And one such discovery has just shaken the world. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye on the cosmos, has detected something racing toward our solar system, something from the deep void beyond the heliopause. This isn't an asteroid from our belt, nor a comet born in the frozen cradle of the Oort Cloud. This is an interstellar object, a traveler from another star system, crossing the dark ocean between suns for eons before entering our skies. For the first time in history, Webb has captured it in chilling clarity. Scientists have named it 3I Atlas, but the nickname that stuck, 3I Atlas, feels eerily fitting. Because whatever this thing is, it's watching us back. It all began quietly on July 1st of this year. The Atlas Survey telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile, was performing its routine scan of the night sky. The kind it had done thousands of times before, tracking near-Earth objects and mapping harmless debris. But that night, one faint, fast-moving speck caught the system's attention. At first, it was dismissed as another comet. But within hours, analysts noticed something extraordinary. Its orbit wasn't elliptical. It was hyperbolic, meaning it wasn't bound to the Sun at all. It hadn't come from within our solar system. It had come from beyond it. As observatories around the world joined the investigation, data confirmed the unbelievable. This was only the third interstellar object ever discovered, following Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. But unlike those earlier visitors, 3I Atlas was on an entirely different level. It was enormous, fast, and deeply unnatural. Traveling at 58 kilometers per second, nearly twice the speed of Borisov, its path was a perfect arrow slicing through the void, straight into the heart of our solar system. Scientists expected a simple icy rock. What Webb revealed was something far more perplexing. When Webb's mirrors focused on it, the image that emerged made researchers fall silent. This was no faint blur. The object was bright, too bright. Its nucleus stretched nearly 10 kilometers wide, larger than any known interstellar visitor. Around it swirled a pale halo of gas and dust, but the light pouring from it was steady, deliberate, and powerful. Comets usually flicker chaotically as they spin and break apart, shedding trails of debris. But not this one. 3I Atlas rotated with mathematical precision, once every 29 hours, and its brightness never wavered. To many astronomers, it didn't look like chaos at all. It looked like control. Webb's spectroscopic analysis deepened the mystery. The object's chemical signature was redder than any known asteroid or comet, even redder than D-type asteroids that lurk near Jupiter's orbit. That redshift hinted at something ancient, alien, and possibly made from materials unseen in our solar system. To the scientific community, it was as if a piece of another universe had drifted into ours. But what unsettled them most wasn't its color or its speed. It was its age. Using its velocity as a cosmic clue, astrophysicists estimated that 3I Atlas could be between 3 and 11 billion years old, possibly older than our Sun itself. That means it might have formed in a system that no longer exists, carrying the chemical fingerprints of a long-dead star. How could such a fragile object survive for billions of years across interstellar space without breaking apart? Radiation, micrometeor impacts, and endless cosmic dust should have eroded it long ago. Yet 3I Atlas appeared pristine, intact, preserved. Some speculated that its composition must be incredibly dense, made of exotic ices and compressed metals forged under unimaginable conditions. Others suggested something even bolder, that it might not be a natural formation at all. When Webb zoomed in, it captured angular surfaces, flat planes that reflected light in sudden, razor-sharp bursts. Not random craters or natural ridges, but edges, panels, geometric seams. Theories spiraled out of control. Was this a fragment of a shattered planet? A long-dormant probe from another civilization? A construct built to endure eternity? Then came the pattern that froze everyone in place. As Webb measured the object's heat emissions, it detected something no natural body should produce, a rhythmic energy pulse, repeating every few hours. Not random gas bursts, but a sequence, precise, timed, and mathematical. The frequencies matched prime number intervals and ratios of the Fibonacci sequence, patterns fundamental to both mathematics and biology. Coincidence? Maybe once. But the repetition continued. Data analysts began to whisper. It wasn't chaos. It was communication. Soon after, something even stranger happened. The object's brightness began to synchronize with the pulses. Its glow would rise and fall in harmony with the same rhythm Webb's instruments had logged. Almost like a response. The object wasn't just shining. It was broadcasting. High-resolution imaging revealed faint spectral lines embedded in the light, like a code, hidden in the wavelengths themselves. When decoded into a frequency map, the result resembled the molecular signature of DNA. It didn't make sense. How could light mimic biology? Unless it wasn't mimicking it, but referencing it. Suddenly, the world was watching. The discovery leaked. Social media erupted with theories: alien probe, ancient beacon, cosmic machine. News agencies went silent. Within days, data streams from Webb related to 3I Atlas were marked restricted. Researchers stopped commenting publicly. The story shifted from open science to classified investigation. Behind the scenes, rumors spread that governments were holding emergency meetings with space agencies and defense organizations. Some believed the object was broadcasting, not toward the sun, but toward Earth. Even private space companies got involved. One cryptic message from Elon Musk simply read, "We're not the only ones exploring." By August, a strange development occurred. 3I Atlas began to alter course. Just slightly, a deviation so small it took days to confirm, but unmistakably deliberate. Its trajectory, once predictable, now curved, threading through the orbits of Mars and Earth with precision that seemed almost intentional. It wasn't colliding. It was showing itself. It passed close enough for radar to detect a faint electromagnetic echo. The signal wasn't random static, it carried structure, modulation, something like an encoded transmission. But when decoded, it yielded nothing comprehensible. Just harmonic waves that looped endlessly, repeating in logarithmic cycles. One physicist compared it to a sonar ping, a beacon waiting for a reply. The question that now haunts astronomers is no longer what 3I Atlas is, but who it's waiting for. After its close approach to the Sun, its projected path should have carried it back into deep space. Instead, updated trajectories show something chilling: the object's velocity is slowing. Ever so slightly, as if applying a form of drag or thrust. No natural body can do that. It's adjusting its course, toward the outer solar system. Some predict it's heading for a rendezvous near Saturn. Others believe it's aligning with a point far beyond the Kuiper belt, somewhere near where Voyager 1 last transmitted. Could something be waiting there? A network? A base? Or perhaps another like it, silent, dark, hidden until now? 3I Atlas was supposed to be a simple comet, a fleeting interstellar traveler that would enter our system and vanish again. Instead, it's become a cosmic riddle that challenges everything we know about the universe and our place in it. Its brightness, its shape, its pulses. Every anomaly points toward one unthinkable conclusion. It behaves like a machine. And if it's a machine, then someone built it. Someone sent it. Someone is watching. Maybe it's a probe. Maybe a messenger. Or maybe it's something even older, an artifact drifting through time, observing civilizations as they rise and fall. Whatever its purpose, one truth remains. Silence is never empty. It speaks volumes. And 3I Atlas is speaking, not in words, but in mathematics, in light, in patterns that echo across the stars. Perhaps it's testing us. Perhaps it's waiting to see if we understand. And if it is, then we are no longer alone in the dark. Because this isn't just a discovery. It's a revelation. The universe has looked back, and it has found us.